Welcome back to 3D comparison. We're going to take a look at transferring files from Fusion 360 to CATIA v5. So this will be the case study mechanism wheel, and I have it over here loaded within CATIA. We're going to see exactly how we're going to save this as a step file, and we're going to see that it will also maintain the structure over here. So in this case, I will just close that. So within Fusion, we will go to File, Export, and over here for the type, the file format will be step file. In this case, I can also give it a name, let's say mechanism wheel with an underline over here. I'm going to hit export, and we're going to see that the file is ready over here. So within CATIA, all we have to do is drag and drop. So this is the file that was just created. I'm going to drag and drop it within an empty scene. And we're going to see in this case that we have the following. So we do have the information over here for the transfer completed. I'm going to hit OK. If I'm going to zoom out, we're going to have the model over here. And this is really important if you are using the file format as step. This will also maintain the graphic properties. So we see over here that the springs will remain blue as they were over here within Fusion. We're going to see this section that will be orange, and that has also been kept. So keep in mind that the file format for step will be the one that will also transfer color in this case. Also, if I'm going to go over here, for example, on this roller with the measure tool, I want to measure that this circle over here. So we're going to see that the radius will be as following: 68.103 millimeters. If I'm going to jump over here and I will do the inspect, in this case, the measure for that one, we're going to see that the same radius is also present over here. So this will also maintain the exact proportion of the model. And if you're going to take a look over here, we have the following assembly that will have within it the following roller that has also been patterned circular over here. So the same structure has also been maintained over here. We have the roller over here. If I'm going to expand that, we're going to see those 8 pattern rollers. And in each one of those, you're going to have the components. So we have the spring, we have the bearing, we have the shaft, we see the bearing, we see the roller, and the conical lock washer, which is the one over here in the end, the orange one. The main difference is that in this case, the step file will have all of those rollers defined as individual components, while over here within Fusion, Fusion has the possibility to pattern those, as we can see. So we have the first one, and we're going to have the structure for the other pattern assemblies. They are all nested underneath the roller circular pattern, and that is exactly how it has been exported over here as well. The other components will be the hub and the reduction gear in the middle, and again the same will be over here within Fusion. So this is the main advantage of CAD solution. If you are using step file, we can transfer those from various software. So in this case, we transfer from Fusion to CATIA, but we can take it to any other CAD solution, and it will still maintain the same properties in terms of geometrical shape and accuracy, so the dimensions. Also in terms of visual elements, we see that the color have been transferred, and most importantly, we're going to have the same hierarchy within the product. So just as within the software that it was created, we're going to have that maintained within other CAD solutions. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you can consider to subscribe. You're going to find a subscribe button over here to the right. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.